seat you by the fire.
Those uneducated, they reckon way past. It is a local everyday ride. Drive just down the street.
Ollie, come for a walk. You want to come for a walk with me? Yeah. Let's go. Oh, shit. After cars are revving, everyone. Let's go. Sexy sounds from old cars. Ready? He's going to rev the boat again. Okay, bro.
The grass is like boom.
Ollie, we'll go down here. This is the car show for you.
Yeah.
Up with the car shows, everyone. Ooh.
You'd be the one person who didn't know this part when we're starting up and they're standing right in front of it.
Where that?
Right, no, back in the water.
Ah, we'll go down here. This is the other one. Every time you're at a modified car show, everyone revving at a modified car show. You just watch Adam see and they're revving all the time on that. Okay,
scared,
want my
it scared the
eardrum.
dog.
Ollie, if I want my eardrums to burst, I want a car to do it. Oh.
I don't.
I might convince my